Welcome back to Chapter 1, Meaning and Types of Secretary. Let us continue types of secretary. In our last period, we have seen company secretary. Now we will continue further. There are two types of company secretary. One is general secretary, another is administrative secretary. So let us learn about general secretary. So who is known as general secretary? General secretary is a person who looks out certain day-to-day activity, like first one to carry out correspondence, means to see the letters on the behalf of company. Second work of a general secretary is it helps issue of shares and debentures given by the order of board of directors. Next, its function is to share allotment, that is when the share is purchased, the share has to be allotted. How much money is being given by the public, accordingly the share should be allotted. Shares can be transferred. They have to call when the money of the share is not paid. The secretary has to call them. Next, forfeiture of the shares, the secretary can cancel the shares. So they all are the works. What is forfeiture, allotment, that you are going to learn in detail afterwards. Next, the work of a general secretary, it is to issue the notice for general meeting, to prepare the agenda, that what are the topics to be discussed in meeting, and maintain its minutes. Maintain its minutes means after the meeting is completed, the secretary has to write down that what were the steps taken, yeah, what resolution was passed in the meeting, what important discussion took place in the meeting. So this everything has to be written by the secretary, and that is known as minutes. Minutes means past work. Next, the work of general secretary is to prepare statements, documents which are very compulsory. Next, the work of a general secretary is to distribute dividend, that when the shares are purchased by the public, in return they get dividend. As you keep money in the bank and you get interest, like that only the shareholders get dividend. So these were the works of a general secretary. What, of, what about administrative secretary? So the works of administrative secretary is to select and appoint employees. Next, to negotiate, that is to discuss and prepare agreement. To see the accounts of the company. Next, to provide information to board of directors. Next, the work of administrative secretary is to see the work of various departments. So you can say that this administrative officer is a link between board of directors and company. It is very important than general secretary. Administrative secretary, it is a link between board of directors and company. So these are the works of administrative secretary. Now next type of secretary is secretary of embassy. Nowadays we can see that every country nominates its representative, that is ambassador, so that he can give the information. What is the main function? It is to know what is happening. Like that only secretary, that is known as the secretary of embassy. Again, nowadays every country is appointing its representative. It is like an ambassador gives the information. What is the main function of it? It is to protect the interest of our country and to convince over country's ideology. What is actually ambassador? They visit to the other countries, talk about our country, like that only they discuss with other country also. Such kind of ambassador is known as secretary of embassy. Next, departmental secretary. Departmental secretary, as you know, the people of our country, we appoint MP, yeah, MLA. Whichever party has majority, that party will have cabinet ministry. Like in Lok Sabha, the majority party leader is known as the Prime Minister, and Prime Minister will appoint cabinet minister, and every cabinet ministers have their own department. The ministers are in charge of their own department. To manage that department, Gazette officer, that is IAS, is appointed. He is also known as departmental secretary. The ministers are appointed to look after the management, and that department head is known as department secretary. What is the function? It has to see whether the administration is going on properly or not. He has to work with honesty. Like that only, there are Secretary of Education Department, Secretary of Home Ministry, like that. Next, association, union secretary. As we can see, human civilization, our society is very wide. Like it includes economic aspect, social aspect, political and cultural. So various types of secretary we can see, like student union secretary. In school and college, to know the problems of the students, a secretary is appointed. Normally he is known as GS. GS means General Secretary, that only Student Union Secretary. Next is Club Secretary. Clubs, they are established like BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket. Such kind of a clubs are there. So the head of that secretary is elected to see whether the works are going on properly or not. Such kind of secretary is known as a club secretary. Next, educational institute secretary. In cities like Delhi, Kota and Ahmedabad, big education campus is there. And to manage that education campus, we can see that educational secretary is appointed. There the secretary works as a chief administrative officer. So in educational institute secretary, we can see in big institution a secretary is there, and that secretary is a educational institute secretary. Next, labor union secretary. Workers are in different field, they have their own problems, so they have to keep before the authority. For example, INTUC, Indian National Trade Union Congress. ITUC, that is International Trade Union Confederation. So these are the unions who represent their problems in front of authority. Like in 1922, the ex-president of India, V.V. Giri, he established Akhil Bharatiya Rail Karmachari Sangh. So that is the person who manage the problems of the worker and keep before the authority, they are labor union secretary. Trade association secretary. In trade association secretary, like the trade association, producer association, service sector association, they all have their problems, they have to keep in front of the authority. So trade association secretaries are appointed. Cooperative society secretary. Cooperative, here you can see, to solve the economic problem, to develop the economic problem, a cooperative society is established, like housing cooperative society. Even in the school, colleges, the employees, they establish staff cooperative society. Here what happened, they will take loan. Here also a secretary is there. Means some group of people come together to do work. That is a cooperative society. And someone should be there to look after the work of the society. Such kind of a person is known as a cooperative society secretary. It has to follow its own rules of the society. So in this way the chapter is completed.